Today I will show you how to convert HEIC to JPEG so you can view the image and also be able to edit it. If you need more than 10 seconds to view a screenshot, press spacebar to pause and again to play video. HEIC Image Extensions is a free Windows 10 add-on from Microsoft. A better and more versatile option is to use iMazing HEIC Converter, which works on all versions of Windows. In the description under this online YouTube video, I have repeated the link to download iMazing HEIC Converter. Just follow the instructions to install iMazing HEIC Converter. For convenience, move the window to the right side of the screen. The next slide will show HEIC files in the Pictures directory on the left and iMazing on the right. Drag HEIC files from the Pictures directory and drop them in the middle of the iMazing window, as will be shown in the following short video. Using your mouse, drag one of the pictures into the middle of the converter. I'm going to select PNG, press Convert. You have to find somewhere where you want to download the file to. I'm putting it back where the others were, which is in the E drive. As you can see, there's a PNG file there. I will now drag another file over to the converter and select JPEG. You can alter the quality between 100% or less. I've got 66% because I want to have it as an email attachment. Press Convert. This time I'm going to put it onto the main C drive Pictures directory. Because there's hundreds of pictures in there, I'll have to click on Show Files and scroll down till I find the correct image. There it is, 2789. Now you can see the picture there. I clicked on the link to open up my Paint program. I can then edit it, modify it, crop it, save it, invert it, adjust it and do whatever I want because it's a JPEG image, as it would have been if it was a PNG. Now I've got two files left. You can drag two at once or one at a time. I'm going to drag the second one now. And I'll leave it as a JPEG, but I'll increase the quality to 100% and click Convert. And this time I'll go back to my E drive, Pictures, OK. Now it's converting the pictures to JPEGs, which I can use. The conversion was successful. If you found this video useful, look in description below for YouTube links to many more smartphone tips. If you enjoyed this video, please forward the link to your friends. Subscribe to Smartphone Tips so you don't miss the next smartphone video tutorial.